Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would perform the prayer near to that hill which is situated on the last edge of Roha, and one end of this hill is near to the mosque. Now there has been built another mosque in the place of the mosque which while going to Makkah Mukarramah was situated between this hill and the last part of Roha. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu would not perform the prayer in that mosque, but leave it on the left hand side and perform the prayer ahead near to the hill. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu would leave Roha in the morning, then would not perform the Zohar prayer, but when he would reach that place, he would perform the Zohar prayer. And when he would come back from Makkah Mukarramah and pass there some moments before dawn or in the last moments before dawn, he would take rest for some moments and then perform the prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 486.